Hi guys, my name is Paul, and this is my 2008 BMW M3. It's an E90, so it's a 4-door. This one has been equipped with a 6-speed manual, iDrive system, the optional 359M style wheels, and as you can see, it needs quite a bit of work. Side skirts are missing, rear bumper is also missing, as well as a fender and a front bumper, together with the gas cap. Those are all in a different picture. They're all with the car, but not on the car at the minute. Some other things that might need doing are a front panel that sadly got damaged during the accident. However, they are still fairly available in terms of second-hand availability or new. So yeah, it's going to be a fun little project, I think. Fun little project? Don't know. Little project? BMW M3 is pretty big. Anyway, doesn't matter. This is going to be probably one of the biggest projects I've ever undertaken. I'll be looking for a whole bunch of different parts, trying to find them used, new, depends on the condition they're in if they're used. But might even come down to the fact that registering the car will be the most complicated part, not even the actual rebuilding of the car. But I'll have to see how that goes. I will try to do videos on a regular, but I can't promise anything. Yeah, so I'll keep you guys posted as the build progresses. But first the car has to arrive. It's not yet in my physical possession. It's now only on paper that it's mine. So I'm still waiting for the car to be shipped from the US to Germany. After I've picked it up, I will obviously have some more pictures and some pictures of my own to share with you all. I'll keep you guys posted on the progress. Yeah, many videos to come, I think.